Kaveri family feud. Business rivalry and past hurts cast long shadows. The Kaveri mansion, once a symbol of family unity, is now a battleground of simmering tensions. As the family grapples with business rivalries and lingering resentments, the past continues to haunt them. Anupama and Rahi, tasked with catering the Kaveri's Makar Sankranti event, find themselves caught in the crossfire. While they work diligently in the scorching sun, the family drama unfolds within the opulent walls of the mansion. Parag, ever the concerned son, urges his mother to prioritize her health, but misses. Kaveri, consumed by a bitter feud with Anupama, remains defiant. The lingering animosity, stemming from a past insult, casts a pall over the festivities. Gautam, eager to expand the family business, proposes a new venture, lab-grown diamonds. However, his ambitious plans are met with immediate resistance from Parag, revealing a deep-seated rift within the brothers. Adding fuel to the fire, Paki, ever the instigator, subtly poisons Mahi's mind against Rahi, fueling jealousy and resentment. Meanwhile, Hasmukh and Leela's contrasting views on Rahi and Mahi further complicate the dynamics within the Shah household. As the day progresses, unexpected encounters and heated arguments threaten to unravel the fragile peace. Rahi inadvertently witnesses a heated confrontation between Parag and Gautam, while Anupama finds herself facing Mrs. Kaveri's wrath. Prem, unaware of his family's presence at the Kaveri house, grapples with growing anxiety. He fears the potential for conflict and the possibility of reopening old wounds. The Kaveri mansion, once a haven of warmth and togetherness, now stands as a testament to the enduring power of family feuds and the lingering scars of past hurts. Stay tuned. If you've enjoyed this update, don't forget to support us by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and ringing the notification bell to stay updated with the latest episodes. We'd love to hear your thoughts and predictions in the comments below, so feel free to join the discussion. Your input helps shape our content, and we're grateful for your continued support. Until next time, may your days be filled with joy and fulfillment.